What's the crack, people? Welcome back to another video. Today we have the wonderful Ocean. You've been seeing me for nearly a year. Damn. I still haven't managed to get rid of her.
Veteran.
You didn't even hear that?
I so heard it. I 100% heard that. She should know how often I come in.
Yeah, once a month, once every 2 weeks.
Twice a month.
So Ocean comes in every...
Roll the tape.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Just like that. There you go.
Damn.
And it's still on.
And it's still on.
See? How is that?
Yeah. It's also attached, I think.
Yeah, that's
I hope so.
You're amazing.